Alright guys, this is Ethan. There's a bird over there. It's inside the garage and we're trying to shoot it. We already got one down. So let's see if we can't get this other one. Alright, it just flew. It went down again. Ethan's getting all ready. If it pops up, we're gonna if we got a good shot, we're gonna pop it. Alright, Ethan, get ready.
You see it?
Right there. Cut! Boy, dropped him. Yeah, Ethan. You did that bitch. Hold up. No. Yeah, Ethan.
Goldfinch.
I know that's what the other one is. That's what they are. Alright, there's the first one. This is mine. This is the one I shot. Goldfinch. Invasive species of the Eastern Shore. I shot this one right in the head. Right there in that hole. See the gold? And it came out down there.
Where's mine at?
And this is the second one that we just shot.
Give me the fucking thing.
We have a female here in my hand. And we have a male here. Actually, no. This one's a baby one, and then this is an older one. They're both males, I believe. Yes, they're both males. Oh. Alright, so let's just sit these down here on the ground. As this one here, we see this one here. This one you can definitely tell it's a baby. Smaller than you look at this one, and this one's a lot fatter. This one we had a good placement right through there. Came out right through the front of the chest. Beautiful birds. I mean, absolutely beautiful. So this concludes our hunting adventures. Please stay tuned and for next week's episode, which either might be right now or next week.